We are going to go over your 6-1 homework. The first two problems, it's said to express each ratio as a fraction in simplest form. So we're going to write this as a fraction. We want to get these into the same units, so you need to know that in 1 pint there are 2 cups. So to change that to cups, we would say we're going to multiply by 2 because there are 2 cups in every pint. So this would be reduced 7 to 18. We can write it like that, 7 to 18. Number 25, we have 17 rubies out of 118 gems. So we would say 17 to 118. And then we need to think about, is there a greatest common factor here, or is this already simplified? So when we do that, we need to think about whether or not there is a common factor at all between 17 and 118. 17 is a prime number, so the only thing that goes into it is 1 and 17. Obviously, 1 goes into 118, but we would want to think about whether or not 17 goes into 118. It does not. So that means that this is already reduced, and that's it, 17 to 118. For numbers 30 and 35, we are asked to get a unit rate here. So what we are going to do is reduce our bottom number to be 1. To do that, we need to divide by whatever our bottom number is. So in the first one, we are going to divide by 6. We're going to divide by 6 here as well as here. Down here, this is going to become 1 gallon. And then 140 divided by 6 would be 23.3, we'll say, miles per gallon. So that would be the unit rate for number 30. Number 35, we have 331 and 5/10 pages in 8.5 weeks. So I'm guessing this is how many pages someone has read or maybe even written in 8.5 weeks. They want a unit rate, which means we are going to figure out how many pages in 1 week. To do that, we're going to divide both of these numbers by 8.5, 8 and 5/10. And down here we would get 1 week. And then as far as the pages go, we have 331 and 5/10 divided by 8 and 5/10, and that works out to be 39. So we get 39 pages in 1 week. That was it for one. I'll be back later this week with section 6. See y'all then. Take care.